is third grade language, lesson 41. We are continuing on with our capitalization rules. So yesterday we talked about capitalizing names for God, or any name that refers to God, or words that refer to the Bible. So we did that exercise yesterday. Then you did a review exercise that the first word of every sentence is capitalized, and holidays and special days and days of the weeks are capitalized. So we did that yesterday. Today we are going to talk about names, initials, and titles of respect. So this man's name is Stephen W. Gowans. So his S is capitalized because it is his name. Gowans is his last name. That's capitalized. W is his middle initial. So it's a capital W, and that initial gets a period after it. So Stephen W. Gowans, initials are Gowans. Initials would be capital S, period, capital W, period, capital G, period. And then we also capitalize titles of respect. if they are an abbreviation, we have to be sure and have a period after it. So this is doctor. This is the abbreviation for reverend. Notice they're capital letters. Now, if your title of respect is not an abbreviation, it doesn't have a period, but it still must be capitalized, Miss. Okay? So that is what we're going to be looking for today. So let's go ahead and look, or get your language books out. Open them to page 45. Put your name at the top, and you may pause the video while you do so. All right, so in Think A, it says a title of respect and a name are shown in parentheses to the left of each sentence. Complete each sentence by writing the title and the name correctly in the blank. So here for number 1, it says Mrs. T.M. Harder brought cookies to our class on Monday. Well, we like Mrs. T.M. Harder if she brought us cookies, don't we? So if we're going to write Mrs. T.M. Harder, first of all, her title of respect has to be capitalized, Mrs. T and M are both initials, so they have to be capitalized, capital T, period, capital M, period, and her last name is Harder. That has to be capitalized as well. So that is how we would write Mrs. with the period, capital M, capital T period, capital M period, Harder. Mrs. T. M. Harder. Number 2 says, Dr. Bill R. Woodland, children, I'm sorry, I'm got confused here. Okay, so we're not going to read that part. Children get to reach into the price box when they visit Dr. Bill R. Woodland. So we have to write that correctly. So we have a title of respect, capital D-R period, that's doctor. Oops, didn't make my D right, did I? D-R, so period, so there's Dr. Bill, capital letter, that's his name. Dr. Bill, now I see an initial, R, capital R, period, and his last name is Woodland, so we have to capitalize his last name. So there we go, Dr. Bill R. Woodland. And then our next sentence says, Miss Rebecca Williams taught swimming all summer. Now Miss, remember Miss is not an abbreviation, so it does not have a period, but it is still a title of respect that must have a capital letter. So Miss, and what's her name? Rebecca. And her last name is Williams, so we have to be sure and capitalize first and last name. Miss Rebecca Williams. And then our last sentence says, our special speaker at camp this summer was Reverend G.A. Whetstone. So we have a title of respect, Reverend, capital R, it's an abbreviation, period at the end. Reverend, period. And what was his name? G.A. Have some initials, capital G, period, capital A, period, and his last name is Whetstone, capital Whetstone. So that is how we would write our names in Think A. Now look, we're going to do a little review here. Look in the box where it says remember. What are we supposed to remember? A common noun names a person, place, or thing. And then a proper noun, remember, names a particular person, place, or thing. And it begins with a capital letter. I like to think of it like this. A common noun names a dog. A proper noun gives the dog a name that starts with a capital letter. A common noun names a person, is any person, but a proper noun gives that person a name with a capital letter. I like to think that a common noun is a restaurant, but a proper noun gives that restaurant a name with a capital letter. So let's look at remember B. Circle each common noun and draw a box around each proper noun. We're going to do 2 of these together. And then the last 3 sentences I want you to do on your own. So North Dakota is a state at the top of the United States. I see 2 proper nouns in that sentence. What are they? We're going to put a box around them. North Dakota and United States. Very good. North Dakota gave a common state, a common noun, a name, so now it's a proper noun. And the United States gave a common country, a name, the United States, so now it's a proper noun. And then there are 2 common nouns in there. What are they? State and top. Very good. Whenever we have a word after a, an, or the, most times that will be a noun. The top. Number 2, Canada and North Dakota share a border. I see 2 proper nouns again. Canada and North Dakota. Very good. And what is our common noun? A, an, and the tells us there's a noun coming. A what? A border. Very good. Let's do number 3 together too. North Dakota has the largest statue of a buffalo in the world. I see 1 common noun. What is it? We're going to box it. North Dakota. Good job. And then I see 3, I'm sorry, did I say common noun? North Dakota is a proper noun we're going to box. Maybe I didn't, but I feel like I said common noun. North Dakota is a proper noun. And then I see 3 common nouns. Has the largest what? Statue is a common noun, circle it. Of a what? Buffalo. Buffalo is a common noun, circle it. In the what? World. Very good. World is a common noun, circle it. And you guys go ahead and finish sentences 4 and 5 on your own. I know you guys got this.